We came with a new video चैप्टर 3 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिज़ाइन। तो दोस्तों चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड देन देखते हैं पहला क्वेश्चन है Constituent Assembly. The drafting of the Constitution was done by an assembly of elected person called Constituent Assembly. Second, Constitutional Amendment. The Constitutional Amendment is a modification of a constitution of a polity. Apartheid. It is a system of racial discrimination between the and ill treatment of blacks followed by the white government in South Africa clause. A distinct section of the document called clause of a document section is called clause. So second question, MCQs. The total member of the Constituent Assembly were 289. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the chairman of the advisory committee of Constitutional Assembly? Baldev Singh. And fourth question is, the Constitution of India is partially flexible. And fifth question is, when were the election of Constitution Assembly held? July 1947. And then the short question answer types. The racial discrimination. What do you mean by apartheid? The racial discrimination and treatment over the blacks are called apartheid. In which country of the world the policy of apartheid was followed between 1948 to 1994? South Africa. Name the leader who opposed policy of apartheid. Nelson Mandela. Fourth question is, what is the name of the autobiography written by One Long Walk to Freedom? Answer question fifth. Name the national leader who tried to draft the constitution as far as back 1928. Motilal Nehru. And sixth question, when were the elections of the Constitutional Assembly held in India? 16 May 1946. Who was the president of Constitutional Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the viceroy of the India when India became free? Lord Mountbatten. And then the answer the following in brief. First question, what is secularism? Why is India called secular state? Secularism is a system that rejects religion and believes that the religion is not a part of affairs of state. With the 42 Amendment of Indian Constitution, the preamble said that the India is a secular state. Describe in short the freedom struggle of South Africa. At the behest of the young activities like Nelson Mandela, the ANC began to charge in his direction to a mass-based movement that is indicated on liberation from apartheid in South Africa. The South Africa struggle is a story of 100 people of country was decided by color and past of freedom. I zoom it, you see. And the next page. In which ways was the system of apartheid oppressive? Under this, blacks were forbidden from living in area where the lives under were white lives. They could not protest against the government. They could not events visit the churches where God worshipped. Give a description to the composition of Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly considered of 389 members, of which 292 were elected by the elected members of the provincial legislature, while 93 were elected nominated by the province state. Fifth question, answer the following in detail. And then, why did the makers of the Indian Constitution announce about the present and the future of the country? The makers of the Indian Constitution has annexed it because making of the Constitution like the huge and the vast country like in India it is not easy, and it refer to the condition of the Indian that time, and other problem was to in the British has left it to the rulers and wanted to merge with Indian or Pakistan. What is the preamble of the Constitution? What is the significance we the people of India and secular? And the answer is, preamble is the preference of the introductory page of the Constitution. Preamble is a great significance and is deals with adults and principle of the Constitution. We are the people of the India, and the preamble of the Indian Constitution and contains the philosophy on which the entire Constitution has been built. It provides a standard, examine and evaluate any law and action. Question 3 is, the Indian Constitution is both rigid and flexible. Explain. The Indian Constitution is the bulkiest and the lengthiest Constitution of the world. It has both rigid and flexibility. It is flexible because provisions may be amended or modified by ordinary legislative process. In case of rigid constitution, special procedures are required for amending them. And then fill in the blanks. Our leaders were inspired by the ideas of French Revolution, the practices of parliamentary democracy in Britain, and the Bill of the Right in 1945 beside the socialist in Russia. And then they match the following column. Subversion. People have the supreme right to take decisions. Republic. Head of the state elected by people. Secular. Government will not favor any religion, fraternity. People should live they like brothers and sisters. And then there is the answers, you see. And then match the following leaders with their roles and making the constitution. First, Sarojini Naidu, member of the Constituent Assembly. Second, Motilal Nehru prepared a constitution for India 1928. Third, Rajendra Prasad, president of Constituent Assembly. Fourth, B.R. Ambedkar, chairman of drafting committee. Thank you, and like and subscribe my channel. Okay.